Yesterday we received 5 people who are still alive with us. One is a gentleman. He has fractures of his upper limb. We expect he's going to be fine. 4 were ladies. They sustained multiple injuries. One of them has degloving injuries of the face, quite extensive. She had brain injury. We have stabilized her and we are taking her to theatre to repair the facial injuries. The other 3, one had a brain injury and a chest injury, but is currently stable. And the other 2 are also not in danger. We expect they'll be out of hospital soon.
Since from this year started, we have lost so many people, almost like 100 and plus. So government must come out to works and whatever ministers, they should come and help us in this problem. That accident normal happens between Rugombe and Chanite.